and welcome back to my channel for another Pack With Me video. In today's video, I am continuing on and packing up my kitchen. At this time, we are about a month out from the move, and so I'm just packing up anything that I don't use on a daily basis. And if you are new here or you haven't caught my channel in a little while and you're confused as to why we're moving, we actually moved to Michigan from Louisiana 5 years ago for my husband's job, and we are now moving to Texas for his job. So we're super excited and hoping that this will be where we'll find our forever home. We're going to be renting when we first get there to kind of learn the area. And so I am just starting to pack up our house and get ready for our cross-country moves.
Closer, I want to stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. And you'll be enough if you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love. You wanna do, I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. Each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love.
So I had some packing peanuts, those biodegradable ones that I had saved from items that I had gotten from my candle business. And so I started by putting that down in the bottom of this bag and then wrapping all of my glass items in plastic. So I just recorded a little bit of this because I figured it was going to be pretty redundant. So you guys won't see me wrapping up all of my glass, but I kind of got into a rhythm and figuring out how much I needed to stuff inside of it and then wrap around it. And in the end, I feel like the items got packaged really good. So hopefully nothing breaks. Fingers crossed.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby.
I was super excited that I had all this bubble wrap on hand already from my candle business. And like I told you guys before, I'm kind of not really doing my candle business anymore. So having all of this that wasn't used, kind of just left over, it was perfect to be able to go ahead and use it for this. That way, it doesn't get wasted, but I'm also not taking it from anything else. So it worked out perfect. I had some brown paper that I had used for some other items, but I ran out of that pretty quickly. So I was glad I had about 3 rolls of this bubble wrap, and I ended up using pretty much all of it.
I know that you are having a hard time right now. That everything seems to crumble around you.
So here is what all the spices look like when I took out all the ones I was going to pack and just left like the essentials in the cabinet. So here's all the ones that I packed away. I didn't record me pulling them out of the cabinet, but I also utilized my crock pot to pack some of the spices. I got this tip from Kimmy over at She's in Her Apron, and as you guys can see, it actually held quite a bit of spices, and this worked out really well.
I know that you are having trouble believing right now that everything is gonna be alright. I know that you.
So at the time that I was recording this video, we were about a month out from our move, and so I was kind of just trying to determine what things to pack away and what to leave out, because you want to pack as much as you can, but at the same time you don't want to make life more difficult by packing away too much. So it was kind of a balancing act. So it was a little bit frustrating at times because we'd have half-packed boxes sitting around. But all in all, I think I would definitely choose to do it this way again rather than being stressed out the last week before the move, because we have felt so good about this move. Aaron said the other day, like, oh my goodness, we don't have nearly as much stuff as I thought we did. Like, it hasn't been as stressful. Just because we have time, it hasn't been that stressful. But I think that all of the decluttering and stuff that I did over last year has really made a big difference. So I thank you guys so much for being here and watching my channel, because that has given me the motivation to declutter my house over the last year. Of course, I didn't know I was moving, but it's made this move so much better. Just showing you guys what all I have underneath my island here. And then on the table, this is all stuff that's going to Goodwill, except my girls' cups that are sitting there because they were just drinking them.
I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best for you. For you. What is best for you.
Obviously, when you see this, we'll have already moved and everything, but once I make the official announcement that we're moving, because some of my family doesn't even know at the time of this voiceover, we're kind of just surprising everyone because everything happened so fast, and Aaron hasn't quit his job yet at this point. So anyway, once you're seeing this video, it would already been posted on social media, and I'll have like an announcement video up and everything, but make sure you go check out the Instagram. So I'm going to be doing just more everyday life stuff for you guys, just kind of sharing the move, and you probably will have seen some moving vlogs by this point as well if you've been watching my channel. So once again, thank you guys so much for being here. I'm really loving doing YouTube, and I'm really hoping to turn this hobby into kind of a little bit of like a full-time thing for myself once my girls are in school. And I have so many plans for this channel, so many things that I want to do. You guys probably hear my girls in the background. I've tried to record this voiceover like 4 times, and they will not be quiet. So some real life moments for you guys in this video, but I was getting about 2 months worth of videos pre-recorded and edited and everything, so that when I move to Texas, I don't have to worry about trying to unpack my microphone and everything like immediately, you know, and start doing videos. I'll be able to kind of just take a little bit of a break probably for a couple of weeks, and I'll probably record, but I won't have to edit the videos or anything because I'll have videos going up every week. But I'm super excited. I have so many new videos coming whenever we get to Texas.
I promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know.
So I just have some essentials that are going to be used in the next 3 weeks until our move. In here, these cabinets are empty. These cabinets are empty. These drawers just have our plastic stuff that we'll be using over the next couple of weeks, and then pot holders. Only thing I left down here, I need to wipe these cabinets out. The only thing I left on here though was the toaster, because we definitely will be using that. My girls are on a off and on like a waffle kick. So all of these cabinets are all empty. The only thing I left down here was some disposable cups to use during the move and our tea pitchers so we can make more tea. And on this side, I just left a strainer and a couple of my bowls to cook. This is completely empty. This has my girls' like art supplies in it. This stuff needs to be packed up. So this is the only thing I left in this was my husband's containers for his lunches. And then I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with these little things, because I felt like I shouldn't just throw them in a box, but these are like, you light them for keeping food warm, so we'll see. But that's all that's left in here. And so then, like I said, these are empty. And then this, all I left in here was one cookie sheet, so if we want to bake anything. I did leave everything in here except the extra stuff. Like I had some chopsticks and stuff that got taken out, but I left my scissors and all of this because we'll be using this on a regular basis. And like I said, we have a few more weeks until we move. Now over here, all I left were these items, and then this drawer is empty. So just some stuff to cook with over the next month. And then we are going to be cooking something for some friends. So that's why I have left my big pots. So what you see right there is all that's left down here. So we'll just pack that up probably the last week before we move. Because we do have friends coming over for dinner. We need those big pots for them. And then this is empty down here. Above over here, I packed away all of our cups except the ones we're currently using right now. And then it's just a few extra to get us through the next month. Left all of our mugs for now, and all of our plates, saucers, and bowls for now. But I did go ahead and pack away anything we don't use on a daily basis. And I have all of my original containers to put this set of dishes in. So probably the week before I'll do that as well. Over here, you guys saw this the other day, but I left out a skillet and a pot to cook with. And then just our essential spices is all I have left. There's a couple of extras that aren't necessarily daily essentials, but it's for the meal we're gonna be cooking our friends. So I needed those to be left out. And then the medicine cabinet, it looks like there's still a lot in here, but we were getting over a cold, so that's some of the medicine we were taking for that. And then our vitamins. And then every now and then I'll eat something and I have to take a probiotic to help my stomach. So I have that, and then all of Kenzie's asthma stuff. And this is our first aid stuff that was in the laundry, like Band-Aids and stuff. I went ahead and just put that in here. A whole big giant box of stuff I'm getting rid of for Goodwill. And then this is empty. This is just stuff we use on a weekly basis. So that'll go in a box the week before. This is empty, but this has all of our cleaning rags in it that we use on a daily basis. So when I wash those, they will be going back in there. Down here, I have our plastic stuff. Now, I did pack away a couple of things from here, but this I'll need for any leftovers. So I just left that here for now. That'll just go in a box the week before. And then I do have these 2 drawers that I forgot about packing up. This is some more of like Kenzie's asthma stuff. So I do need to finish these 2 drawers. I'm glad I looked through here because I forgot all about that. So I just need to put all that in a box. And then show you guys the pantry again. This is all stuff that's going to be getting eaten over the next month. Breakfast stuff, snack stuff, stuff for when our friends come over that we had bought to share with them. And I have not done these drawers yet. So I probably will go ahead and do that when I do the ones behind me that I forgot about. And then I just left a couple of things in here. Again, stuff that we're going to be using, like the paper towels. The rice is for the meals that we're making with our friends. And then just some snacky stuff that I want us just to eat up rather than packing away. So yeah, need to do those 2 drawers and these 2 drawers, and then the kitchen is completely done. Except for stuff that we use on a weekly basis. I'll be packing that stuff up in about 2 weeks once we only have like 1 week to go to the move. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that you got lots of cleaning motivation for your day. I'll have some more videos on the screen if you want to watch some more, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye.